Hello students, today we are going to start with class 9 topic how to represent root x geometrically. Yes, x is any positive number and here I am taking the example of under root 9.3. That is also the question number 4 given in your exercise 1.5. Yes, so what is the method of drawing this root x on the number line, or we can say geometrically how we can represent? So first of all, what is the positive number that is given under root? We need to simply first of all draw that line segment. Yes, now first of all we will draw, since we have taken 9.3, so we will draw line 9.3 on the by using ruler, or we can say scale. So this is 9.3, 1, 2 and 3, this one, and we need to draw this 9.3 line segment. Yes, now I am giving the name, that is A, and here this is B. Yes, so the second step is that whatever the value that is given to us, yes, because we have taken 9.3 as an example, yes, it could be any positive real number. Yes, we have to, after making the line segment of the given value, after that we have to extend this line segment 1 centimeter. ठीक है, हमें इसे 1 सेंटीमीटर एक्सटेंड कर देना है. Yes, and let me give this point C. What we have to do, हमें first of all जो भी number दिया हुआ है, that is for example 9.3 we have taken here, we have to draw the line segment and after that we have to extend this 1 centimeter. ठीक है, after the third step is that we need to take out the midpoint of AC. AC means जो हमने जब 1 सेंटीमीटर एक्सटेंड कर दिया उसका मिड पॉइंट हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? वी हैव टू टेक आर्क मोर देन हाफ approximate. Yes, so approximate I have taken more than half and I have mark a arc here on the both sides from the both the ends. Yes, now where these intersecting arcs are intersecting, we need to join so that we can get the midpoint. Yes, so this is the midpoint of line segment AC. Yes, let me give this intersecting point O. Yes, so now we can see, because it is the midpoint of AC, so OA is equal to OC. Yes, क्योंकि ये midpoint है तो OA will equal to AC. ये देखो. Yes, so taking OA and or OC as a radii. Yes, we have to draw a semicircle. Yes, now we have drawn a semicircle. After that we have to draw a perpendicular from the point B. Yes, from the point B where it will, yes, now we have to join this and here where this perpendicular intersects semicircle, this is actually under root 9.3. Yes, how we can draw on the number line? We need to simply extend this. Yes, and by measuring this arc, this is under root 9.3. This point is under root 9.3. Yes, or we can say, suppose this point is D and suppose this is E. So BE is under root 9.3 or BD is actually 9.3. Yes. Now I just want to justify how it comes. Yes, so because we have taken 9.3 here, it could be 8.6, 8.3 or 3.5. Yes, so let's take that under root x. Okay, suppose we have taken under root x. Yes, suppose AB is value of x is 9.3. Here we have taken. Now I am using this figure to justify this. So I have taken under root x. For example, AB is x. Yes, I am just using this figure to represent under root x this. Yes, so AB is, let AB is equal to x. Yes, let AB is equal to x. Yes, so AC is equal to x plus 1. Yes, now AC will equal to x plus 1 because BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Yes, now let's join this OD also. Yes, we need to join only to justify this. And I am using a variable so that it would be justified for any real number. Yes, now you can see this OBD is a right triangle. Yes, now since AB is x and AC is x plus 1 and O is the AC is x plus 1, and since O is midpoint, yes, O is midpoint of AC. Yes, so OA is equal to OC is equal to x plus 1 upon 2. You can see here. Yes, since O is the midpoint and AC is x plus 1, so OA is equal to OC, and that is, of course, radii is half of the diameter. Yes, now you can see OD is also a radii of this semicircle, just like OA. So OD will also equal to x plus 1 upon 2. Yes, now just consider this right triangle. Yes, if we use the Pythagoras theorem for this right triangle, where we know that what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse is OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. Yes, or we can say that BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. Yes, now we need to find out the value of OB because we know the value of OD, that is x plus 1 upon 2. Yes, we don't know the value of BD and we can find out the value of OB because OB is equal to AB minus OA. Yes, OB is equal to AB, complete AB minus OA. Yes, this OB we need to find out, AB minus OA. AB minus OA. And we know that AB is equal to x, AB is equal to x, whatever the value that we need to draw. Yes, that we have to represent. Yes, so x minus and value of OA is x plus 1 upon 2. So it is equal to x minus 1 upon 2. Yes, when we take LCM, so it will be equal to, so now we have got the value of OB, that is equal to x minus 1 upon 2. Yes, now as we have find out already, BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. Now OD square, as we know that the value of OD is x plus 1 upon 2 and the value of OB we have find out x minus 1 upon 2. Yes, so just putting the value, So we have got x plus 1 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 1 upon 2 whole square, that is equal to, by taking 4, because after squaring the 2 will and having the same denominator, so x square plus 1 plus 2x, using identity, minus x square plus 1 minus 2x. Yes, so that is equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square minus 1 plus 2x upon 4, cancel, and now we are left with 4x upon 4, and 4 will be cancelled, that is x. Means what we are finding? BD square. So BD square is equal to x, so hence BD is equal to under root x. Yes, now we have proved. And what is BD? Let's see it again in the figure. BD is this one. Hence we have proved that here, because the value of x is 9.3, so this is 9.3. Yes. So for any positive integer, if we want to represent geometrically, we have to apply this method. Yes, we have justified this. Yes. Now BD is under root x, hence proved. Thank you.